This one's knotted. Let's pull it apart.
Okay, I'll smooth this end.
Good. Now twist it tight.
It's better now. Ready for the next.
Automated feeders supply consistent fiber flow for uniform rope from banana fibers. Industrial dryers accelerate moisture removal from fibers used in rope from banana fibers. The selected banana fibers are bundled by hand. The bundle is then transported to the spinning units. At the spinning units, the fibers are fed in and twisted into rope. Multiple banana fiber strands are combined to create a strong, durable rope. The fibers are twisted together, building the rope's core strength. The final rope resists tension, showing the power of combined fibers.
Tension holding steady at 50 kg. Speed is good.
Fibers are feeding smoothly. No breaks.
Good. Increase twist tension to 52. Watch for slippage.
Adjusting now. Looks stable.
Confirmed. Quality is consistent. Proceed.
Lubrication systems reduce friction during the spinning of rope from banana fibers. Without lubrication, friction causes wear and heat on the machinery.
Okay, let's bundle these banana fiber coils. Standard packaging.
Right. I'll start the first bundle.
Good. Make them tight and secure.
This one's ready. Next.
Got it. One more coming up.
Scene 37. Heat treatment chambers enhance the strength of rope made from banana fibers. The process transforms the fibers, making the rope more sustainable manufacturing by upcycling natural waste.
Check the tension. We need even alignment here.
Right. This strand is loose. I'll adjust it.
Good. Now twist it in, gently.
Okay, that's better. How does it look?
Perfect. It's aligned.
These banana ropes are ready to be sealed.
Okay, I'll apply the labels.
Perfect. They look great.
This diameter calibration machine ensures uniform thickness for banana fiber rope. Optical sensors measure the rope's diameter in real-time image to precise, consistent thickness.
Okay, scanning batch 2023-45 now. Scan complete. System confirms it's in stock.
These banana ropes are ready to be sealed.
Okay, I'll apply the labels.
Perfect. They look great.
Protective coatings are optionally applied to rope from banana fibers for durability. The rope is dipped, pulled through, and then wrung out. This enhances its strength and resistance to wear.
Let's check the surface consistency on this batch.
Agreed. This section looks uneven.
The fibers here are inconsistent. It could affect durability.
We'll flag it. The rest seems fine.
This is a water resistance test on rope made from banana fibers. First, we agitate it to simulate real observe its behavior. Finally, we retrieve the rope to assess its durability. Abrasion resistance tests evaluate durability of rope from banana fibers. Mechanical action causes fiber to fray and break. Progressive wear reveals the material's resilience, a key indicator for sustainable applications.
Stack them neatly, ready for export. Yes, stacking them high. Good. Keep the rhythm. Almost done. One more.
We use these chambers to simulate how humidity affects banana fiber ropes. In high humidity, the fibers of moisture causing swelling and discoloration. This helps us predict long-term durability in tropical environments. Initiating load test on banana fiber rope. Confirmed. Load increasing steadily. Fibers elongating.
Snap at 3,500 newtons. Excellent results.
This batch is tangled. Let's separate the good fibers.
Right. I'll pull from this end.
Starting flexibility test on banana fiber rope. Bending repeatedly to test elasticity. The fibers show good resilience. Test complete. Final inspection on the certified banana fiber rope. Quality meets standards. Attaching final approval tags now. Signature complete. This batch is approved.
Inventory systems logging stock levels of rope from banana fibers. Stock level update increasing by 3 units. Update complete. New stock level is 1,250 units.
Load the banana fiber ropes onto the pallets first. This shipment is due for export. Careful with the tension on these coils. That's the last one. Secure the truck.
Let's check the fiber bonding in this banana rope. Under magnification, the bonds are strong. Excellent tensile strength, a sustainable success.
Examining this banana fiber rope for color uniformity. Consistent color is key for quality. This sample passes inspection.
First, use a digital caliper to check the rope's diameter. It reads 12.34 millimeters. Now, check consistency with a measuring tape. The diameter remains uniform at 12.33 millimeters.
Tearing the scale now. Placing the sample. Weight confirmed. Density calculation matches standard. Results logged. This confirms the standard density. Final inspection for packaging integrity. The plastic wrap is secure, no tears. The fibers are tightly wound. This spool is approved. Okay, the commercial invoice and packing list are verified. The bill of lading is complete, ready for shipment. All documentation for the banana fiber rope is finalized.